Senator Ron Johnson draws national attention and criticism for comments he made about the effort to get Americans vaccinated. Capitol Bureau Chief A.J. Byapor has you covered on our senior senator's initial comments and his response today.
Well, Senator Johnson said he was, quote, highly suspicious of the government's efforts to encourage vaccination among people of all age groups. He added, if the vaccines are indeed 95% effective, people who have gotten the vaccine should not worry about whether other people are choosing to get vaccinated. Johnson made those initial comments yesterday during an interview with conservative talk radio host Vicki McKenna. He did not specify what exactly would be suspicious about officials wanting people vaccinated against a virus that has killed more than 6,700 Wisconsinites. He did say because the vaccines only have emergency use authorization, not everyone should have been included in the rollout.
Because it's not a fully approved vaccine, I think we probably should have limited the distribution to the vulnerable, to people that really aren't, to the very young. I see no reason to be pushing vaccines on people.
Well, the Democratic Party of Wisconsin held a press call today responding to those comments. They say it continues a trend of Senator Johnson pushing conspiracy theories, citing his decision in a hearing on the January 6th U.S. Capitol riot to read the account of someone who suggested those who invaded the Capitol that day were not really supporters of former President Trump.
This is a reminder of how focused Ron Johnson is on appealing to the most extreme parts of the right-wing base instead of serving the Wisconsin voters that he was elected to represent.
Johnson today doubles down on his remarks. In a statement, he says, quote, it is a legitimate question as to whether people at very low risk of suffering serious illness from COVID, particularly the young and healthy, should be encouraged to take a vaccine that is being administered under an emergency use authorization. Health experts have been saying for weeks now the reason they're encouraging widespread vaccination is largely because the more hosts still spreading the virus, the more chances it can mutate into more variants.